Social Alpha is a multi-stage venture development platform that looks at science and technology innovations and entrepreneurs and tries to use entrepreneurial models for solving India's complex development sector problems.
That's the amount of trash I've created over 5 years. Yes, it's possible. We are living in the largest global garbage crisis of our lifetime. So every product that you and I have used with a plastic footprint is still on this planet. And I thought we needed to design products with more integrity. And that's why I founded Bare Necessities.
सस्टेनेबिलिटी का मतलब है मेरे लिए नेचर का ध्यान रखना। बेयर नेसेसिटीज़ में हम लोग ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं जो नेचर को हार्म नहीं पहुंचाए।
Bare Necessities seeks to be a one-stop shop for all your needs, to live plastic-free, to live consciously, to live sustainably. We want to cover all of your necessities. The women-run manufacturing team is the backbone of Bare Necessities. They create and handcraft every product over here. We want to build amazing, high-quality products, integrating lots of innovation in terms of materials that we use and raw materials that we source. And then we want to package it in a completely earth-friendly manner. I definitely had to get a lot of rejections. I also think just thinking about circularity, circular businesses, and impact-driven businesses is something that not a lot of funders actually look at, because it's often only looking at kind of on that Excel spreadsheet what your balance is. And I think Social Alpha came in at a point where we really needed them. And I love that they look at environmental, social, and financial metrics.
Lifestyle means you want like thermal or toothbrush, or we have many more. If you want a list also, I can email you that.
Social Alpha has helped us scale so much. We've grown from a 3-person team to a 12-person team. And now we retail at about 50 different stores across the country. And of course, lion's share of our revenue kind of comes from our online B2C platform.
If you look at the climate and sustainability concerns, these are real. And a number of people in new generation, especially millennials and beyond, are looking for products and services where they can believe that the production and supply chains are sustainable. Sahar took risk, built a company, created employment opportunity for women from marginalized communities, and has built a successful business model for zero waste lifestyle.
Bare Necessities is far beyond just selling sustainable products. We're in the business of changing mindsets around sustainability. The idea is to just make sustainability and zero waste the norm and not the exception.